Past perfect continuous tense itu untuk mengungkapkan apa? Mengungkapkan suatu kejadian yang telah terjadi tetapi belum selesai ketika ada kejadian lain terjadi di masa lalu. Hah? Gimana sih maksudnya? Kok bingung ya, Miss? Begini ya cara gampangnya itu. Kalian lagi bercerita nih, kemarin aku sudah makan selama 3 menit ketika kamu datang ke rumah kemarin malam. Jadi misalkan kamu sudah mulai makan nih, tapi belum selesai. Kemudian ada temenmu datang malam kemarin, kayak gitu pakainya past perfect continuous tense. Hampir mirip dengan present perfect continuous tense. Jadi sudah mulai, tetapi belum selesai. Nah itulah gunanya past perfect continuous tense ya. Langsung saja ke contoh kalimatnya nanti biar kalian semakin paham ya. Nah, bagaimana struktur kalimatnya? Tense ya, subjek, kemudian have untuk semua subjek, kemudian kasih been, verb 3-nya dari to be ya, kemudian verb ing, baru objek atau pelengkap, seperti itu ya. Jadi yang perlu kita tahu pakainya had, kemudian been, baru verb ing-nya itu verb 1 ditambahi dengan ing ya, verb ing itu hampir sama dengan semua bentuk continuous, itu pasti verb pakainya verb ing. Oke, contohnya ya. She was tired because she had been working all day. Gitu. She had been working all day. Working, bekerja seharian seperti itu ya. Jadi kecilin dulu biar pas. He had been working. Jadi dia itu capek karena dia sudah bekerja seharian dan sekarang masih bekerja belum selesai kemarin misalkan ya. When I arrived, ketika aku tiba, mereka sudah menunggu beberapa lama dan masih menunggu saat kalian tiba gitu. They had been arriving. Oh, wait ya. They have been wait for a long time. By 10 p.m., he had been studying for 5 hours. Ketika jam 10 malam, dia telah belajar selama 5 jam dan masih belajar seperti itu. They were hungry. Mereka lapar because they had been cooking for hours, sudah memasak berjam-jam belum matang, itu jadinya mereka lapar. I was sweaty, aku berkeringat because I have been exercising gitu ya. At the gym. Jadi saat dia berkeringat itu dia sudah latihan tetapi belum selesai. When she called, ketika dia menelpon, aku telah membaca selama 2 jam dan masih membaca. I had been reading for 2 hours. By the time they woke up, ketika mereka bangun, matahari telah bersinar selama beberapa jam ya. The sun had been shining. Sudah bersinar ya, shining. Berkilau. He was out of breath. Dia kehabisan nafas because he had been running for an hour. Dia telah berlari selama sejam. When we met, ketika kami bertemu, mereka sudah bepergian beberapa hari ya. They had been traveling. She was muddy. Dia berlumpur ya, kotor karena lumpur because she had been playing. Had been playing. Bermain di luar selama hujan. By midnight, ketika tengah malam, I had been working on a project for 6 hours. Dia sudah mengerjakan proyek selama 6 jam, tetapi saat dia ngomong kayak gitu, dia masih bekerja. They were exhausted. Mereka kelelahan because they had been dancing. Mudah ya. tinggal dikasih akhiran ing aja sama had been, jangan lupa. When I call, she had been practicing the guitar for hours. Ketika aku menelpon dia, misalkan dia telah latihan gitar selama berjam-jam dan saat itu juga masih latihan ketika nelpon. By the time they arrive, ketika mereka datang, the movie had been playing for half an hour. Ketika mereka tiba, filmnya sudah mulai selama 1,5 jam dan sekarang masih belum selesai, masih nonton gitu. She look relaxed. Dia kelihatan santai because she had been meditating. Meditating for a long time. He was covered in flour because dia terselimuti tepung because he had been baking all afternoon, karena dia sudah baking itu membuat kue sampai sore ya, gitu, sesorean. I was drenched, aku basah kuyup because I had been running in the rain. Aku menerjang berlari di hujan gitu, jadi dia basah kuyup. They were thrilled because they had been waiting for this moment for weeks. When he arrived, ketika dia tiba, I had been reading the novel for hours. Aku telah membaca novel selama beberapa jam, dan ketika kamu tiba, aku masih membaca, gitu, tapi sudah mulai beberapa jam, itu maksudnya. By the time we left, ketika kami pergi, they, seperti apa ya bentuknya ya? Coba tulis di kolom komentar ya, aku tunggu.